Bulgarian PM says the new F-16 is much better than any other aircraft offered. I hope they will offer better terms because, from my talks with pilots, a new F-16 is a much better plane than all the others that are offered. There are committees examining these offers. I am in no way intervening, I strongly emphasize, except that I want our aviation to have the best plane, because the situation in the region is getting complicated. We need a combat aircraft capable of getting into military action and overpowering. That's Prime Minister Boyko Borisov said to reporters in Brussels about the selection of equipment for Bulgarian Air Force, quoted by the government press office, reports Focus news agency. He said he was expecting the committee's decision the soonest possible. Now, we have only transport ones. In the last 10 to 15 years, other governments bought only transport Cougars, Spartans, Panthers, not armed. The Prime Minister said.